Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BOSE SoundSports wireless earphones. The problem is it is not turning on and it's not working completely. So let's try replacing the battery. I have tried charging it. I will show you what is the problem here exactly. So I am going to connect this charger here, micro USB cable, and you can see here the orange light is blinking, but it's not charging. The battery is never getting full. It takes infinite time. It is keep on charging like this, but it doesn't turn on and it doesn't play at all. So let's try by replacing the battery. To replace the battery, we have to open this side. So I have opened this already. As you can see, I have removed this cover already. So this is the battery here. Let's take out the battery and check the voltage of this battery. So the battery is located at the left side of the earphone. So now I am going to take out this battery. Still I have not done anything, just I have taken out this cover. So now I am going to take out this battery. So that's it. So before testing the voltage of the battery, we have to take out the wire here, zooming in. So I have taken the negative of the battery. Now it's time to take out the positive here. It's difficult to show in the video. So I have taken out the battery. Now it's time to check the voltage of the battery. So now let's check the voltage of the battery. I have set to 20 volt DC in the multimeter. Let's check the voltage. Minus will go to minus and plus will go to plus here. So you can see the voltage is 0.01, which is almost, not almost, it is completely dead. It should be at least of more than 3.5 volts. It should be 3.7 volts, but it is completely zero or 0.01 voltage. So the battery is dead. The battery is of Verta company. The brand is Verta and the model number is CP1654A3. And this is sourcing, this is very difficult because this battery belongs to German country and it is not commonly available here in India. So I am going to replace this with lithium ion polymer battery. So since the battery is very heavy here, I will try to put two batteries if the space is there inside the housing of this side. So let's see by keeping the lithium ion polymer battery. So instead of this battery, I am planning to use this lithium ion polymer battery. There are two batteries here. You can see I have positioned it. I have checked it already. It is fitting perfectly. So this is first time in the complete YouTube platform somebody is going to fix double battery instead of single battery to this wireless earphones, BOSE wireless earphones. So first of all, let's check the voltage of these two batteries, and let me check the polarity as well because it is very important. If we connect wrongly, then the board will die. So left side is plus and the voltage is 4.03, that is very good. And the other battery, it is 4.03. So both batteries are carrying very good voltage. So now we have to connect this in parallel so that we will get 3.7 voltage only and it will go to motherboard. If we connect in series, then motherboard will burn because it requires only 3.7 volts. So I am going to keep this battery separately. Now I am going to solder this, connecting in parallelly, then I will connect it to the motherboard. So to connect the wires in these terminals, I am going to use insulated wires, thin insulated wires. So these are insulated wires. This is very good in this application. So first I am going to connect the positive of the battery with this red one. So zooming in here. So one of the terminals, I am going to connect this red one. So this is connected. Now again for the second battery I am going to connect the same wire here. So the second wire I am connecting here. You can see I have connected here two terminals of the two battery which is positive connected to the same wire. Like similarly I am going to connect minus together. Now I am going to connect the minus wire. In this case green I am going to use here. I am using green here. So green is connected to negative of the battery, one of the battery. Now again I am going to connect the same wire to the negative of the other battery. So done, this is connected. Coming closer here, 2 positive is connected to one wire which is red, and the 2 negative terminal of the battery is connected to the green wire, one single wire. So now we have 2 points here, one is positive and one is negative, and we will get 3.7 volts. In this case the battery is bit charged, so it will be 4 point something, 4.02. I have set the multimeter voltage to 20 DC. So let's check the voltage at this point. You can see 4.03 is coming in this meter, this point. So it is connected in parallel, not in series. So I have pasted this battery here using this glue. So further I am going to use this glue only to insulate the terminals, because I have no option to insulate because the space is very tight. So I am going to paste this over the terminals so that there will be no problem of short circuit, like this. So this will be perfect. I have pasted at the bottom. Now I am trying to paste here at the sides as well. This little glue is more than enough. It will bond very strongly. So it is already fixed properly here at the bottom, so it is completely dried. Now it's time to connect this negative and positive to this main power board. The top one is negative and the bottom one is positive. So bottom one is bit difficult, so I may not be able to show how to solder here, but for negative I will show. First I will do for the positive one. So I have connected the positive terminal. Now it's time to connect the negative one. I'm connecting here to the negative. That's it. So it is done. Now it's time to check. First of all, I'm going to connect the charger here. Let's see now how the battery indicator behaves. Connecting the charger here. Previously it's blinking now. Now let's check the voltage here. Battery is connected. You can see the voltage. Please check the voltage here in the multimeter. It's 4.04, 4.03 or 04. Now let's connect the charger and see whether it goes up. If it goes up, that means the battery is charging from the BOSE wireless earphone. The voltage was 4.03. Now I am connecting the micro USB cable here. So now let's check the voltage here. Minus will go to minus terminal, plus will go to plus. You can see previously it was 4.03, now it is 4.13. that means it is perfectly charging. So this part there is no issue. Now turning off the meter and turning on the speaker after removing this USB cable. So to turn on, I'm going to press here. It is turning on. You can see here, zooming in. So it is in pairing mode. Now let's see by searching here in the Bluetooth page. Yes, BOSE SoundSport is coming here. I have clicked it. It is asking for the permission. I'm clicking the pair button here. So it is telling AAC codec is not supported because this mobile doesn't support that lossless format, but it supports SBC codec automatically. So I'm going to just click OK here. So it is connected. You can see here BOSE SoundSport connected, battery 100% active. So now it's time to play the song and test it. So I have clicked play here and I will raise the volume here and I will test it using my studio mic here. First I will show the right side one. So let's try it with left side now. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Now right side. So So that's it. So this BOSE SoundSport is back to life after replacing the double battery here. You can see this is double battery replaced here. So I have to fix this back to this housing. I will do that. So it's time to apply the glue here. So all right, the glue is applied. Now it's time to simply close it. You can see this is fixed now properly. I have the rubber. I will put it here. Now let me hold this for few minutes and I will come back. Pasting is done. Now it's time to put this silicone cover here. So I'm going to apply slightly. I'm going to apply the glue slightly here. This is the transparent one. Not going to use more here. That's it. Glue is applied. Now I'm going to put this. Alright, so this is done here. You can see, and it is working perfectly. Alright, thanks for watching the video. And I want to tell you, this is the first time I have installed two dual batteries to this BOSE SoundSports. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.